Ohio lawmakers say they want to fight the statewide drug epidemic by establishing a screening process for those in the Ohio Works First cash assistance program. Opponents, though, say drug testing for welfare recipients demonizes the poor. NBC4's Ted Hart is live at the State House tonight with more on this proposed legislation. Ted?
Yeah, this is an issue that has been here before, but it's never really quite gotten enough traction. Critics say that it unfairly targets the poor based on stereotypes, but the sponsors of this legislation said today that they believe it can be a win for everyone. Republican state representatives Tim Schaefer and Ron Magg say their proposal is not meant to be punitive, but rather a way to improve lives.
Saving the taxpayer money is important, but that's not the only goal here. I think we will save untold millions by getting these families healed and getting them back into the economy.
Under the proposal, applicants for cash assistance would be screened for their likelihood of drug dependence. They could then be required to take a drug test. They say caseworkers could still approve payments for the benefit of children or other family members, but there would be no benefits for the individual who fails the test. They would instead be referred for treatment.
If someone is addicted to drugs, they may be getting the money, they might be giving it to the drug dealer, and their family is still suffering. This families and to get help for the person who is addicted to drugs.
This is at least the third attempt in the Ohio legislature to require welfare drug testing. Critics say the proposals perpetuate the unfair stereotype of people on public assistance. And actually, it would create a new barrier for people trying to break out of poverty.
This is taking a different approach and singling them out, which is really unfair, and it's akin to the war on drug approach of punish first instead of helping people seek treatment.
Now, this proposal would create a 3-county pilot project initially, with the idea that if it works, it would go statewide. 13 other states around the country already have implemented drug testing for welfare recipients. And Schaefer said today that they believe that the time is now right for Ohio as well. Live at the State House, Ted Hart, NBC4.
All right, Ted, thank you. Now, we did some checking tonight. According to the National Conference of State Legislatures, as Ted said, there are 13 states that have passed bills for drug screening for public assistance, including states like around us, like Michigan, Missouri, and Tennessee. Florida's law was halted by a district judge saying it violated constitutional protections, and it was upheld by the appeals court.